Hello and welcome everyone to the Cricket Opinion. It's the first of our birthday special videos where today we'll be celebrating MS Dhoni's birthday. MS Dhoni has had a massive impact in Indian cricket for the past decade and a half. He is the only captain to win all the three major ICC tournaments, and now he is touted as one of the greatest captains of all time to have ever graced the game. I won't be speaking too much about how MS Dhoni had scored these and these many runs in this and this places against this and this opposition, but more about what makes MS Dhoni such a pioneering figure and what sets him a league apart from all his contemporaries. On his special day, we take a small trip down the memory lane in observing the close traits that make him such a doyen in Indian cricket. MS Dhoni's tenacity and resilience makes him a figure worth studying for the generations to come. While it's almost characteristic for most sports persons to never give up in pursuit of their dreams, the odds were stacked heavily against the long-haired Ranchi boy when he had first set out on his cricketing journey. The fact that MS Dhoni belongs to a small Indian city from a state that's traditionally not produced many Indian cricketers instills a feeling of hope in aspiring young people that, if he's done it, I can done it. If he can do it from such a small place where the facilities were not enough, then definitely I can also make it to the big league. In a country where most people are in a dogfight to achieve their respective dreams, MS Dhoni goes down as one of the prominent sporting figures in India. His uncanny ability with the bat, a technique that's not the most orthodox, definitely raised some eyebrows in his early years of competitive cricket, but never did that perturb him. It was because he had an inordinate amount of self-belief in his own credentials of doing what he does best, and so has he done enough number of times in the years to follow, as we have seen so often. Now, as we fast forward a few years and break down the way he took upon himself the baton of captaincy, spearheading a young group of Indians to the inaugural World Cup Championship in South Africa, we only saw a glimpse of what MS Dhoni could achieve as captain. Over the time of the next decade, till the time MS Dhoni gave up the captaincy in January 2017, we have seen MS Dhoni take a number of bold decisions that may or may not have been in tandem with what others deem to be right. Again, we have seen MS Dhoni, it's been a defining factor of his career on how he has been able to keep himself insulated from all the brouhaha that surrounds a cricketer in this cricket frenzy country where the masses worship the players, but the loyalties also change in a very transient fashion. There have been times when the Indian teams has experienced crushing defeats under MS Dhoni's captaincy. Again, MS Dhoni found a way to come back each time, even though it might have taken longer than usual at times. His calm and collected nature approach to the game proves to be a very influencing factor to the teams, and that's probably why he's become such a great captain. MS Dhoni is a terrific reader of the game. He manages to be one step ahead in terms of tactics. Yes, we have seen the occasional blip-ups, but where the media has ruthlessly criticized our captain Cool, but come on. To err is human. Looking back at his career, it's almost surreal to see such a great leader of the game. He was backed up by the seniors from a really early point of time in his career. And yes, when the time came, MS Dhoni did deliver. MS Dhoni has always managed to prioritize what matters most and keeps himself grounded in all situations. We have seen him achieve so many accolades, but he still carries himself with a sense of humility. He has undoubtedly had his own share of ups and downs in his life, and if there's anything on his 39th birthday, if there's anything that we should take away from this Indian great that we so dearly love, it should be his ability to find solutions to every problem in life. all of us have our problems, right? And probably the only ones who don't are already dug 6 feet deep into the ground. And MS Dhoni has always been able to find solutions, and that I feel is one of the greatest legacies that he leaves behind himself. Last but not the least, why MS Dhoni has been such a personal favorite is that ever since I started watching cricket some 10 to 12 years ago, I used to do it with my mom, herself being a die-hard MS Dhoni fan. While she's not around anymore, her faith for MS Dhoni has always been unwavering. And I think that's what MS Dhoni has done to Indian households. People from different age groups, different in interests in life, people who don't even like cricket so much, stick to the game because that is what he has done to the Indian mass. He brings hope, he brings optimism. If that doesn't prove to be testament enough to MS Dhoni's career, I don't know what will. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to say in this video, and it's been a special one because I woke up at 6 in the morning. I wrote the script, I took a bath, and it's something that I did for the first time in 3 months almost, and that's what I feel the lockdown has done to all of us. So yes, happy birthday MS Dhoni. Let's hope we see you back in the cricket field again, and yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.